Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of February 2023. Real quick, we're going to do a video about NIO today, simply because we're not seeing buyers, right? I did a video in NIO right there on the 16th of February 2023, looking for the market to go higher, and price obviously has broken my area of support of $9.50. Now, we got earnings coming up in the beginning of the month of March, which is Wednesday. We need to talk about what's going to happen leading up to the earnings and then after. Okay, we've seen price in NIO come down following the earnings, right? So as earnings approach or earning is actually released, we may actually see a pop occur into the market in NIO. So this is going to be really important. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to change my support area, because obviously when we wanted the market buyers to show up, they didn't. And that's something that we don't have any control over. If people don't want to buy a certain stock at a certain price, who are we to say that it should have done it? Like I said, this is all a game of probabilities. So what we need to do is, currently we don't have a surefire firm area of support anymore, because that 950 was definitely a very strong support area, and the market in NIO fell right through it. Now, I'm here to tell you though, that the last trading day into the market in NIO, we're going to dissect these last two trading days in NIO. Okay, look at this, because volume is the lifeblood of every stock. So when you see this, explain or answer this question, right? Why in the world did the last trading day for NIO, why did we see this much volume come through than the previous day, right? We got to inspect these things. We saw more volume come into NIO Friday than we did on Thursday. Now, when you see that much volume come in, and then you notice the price spread, look at that price bar. It's very small compared to the prior day. What happened? What happened? Now, there's only two activities that can occur in any stock. You can either buy or sell. So it's nothing more than those two things. So do you think buyers came into the market on Friday for NIO? Or do you think sellers came in? What do you think? To me, I think buyers came in. Now, why would I say that? Well, first of all, if you have this much volume come in, you'll expect to see a wider spread. At least about the same amount as what it was the day before, at least. But we didn't get that. The market instead stopped. Somebody came in and pumped the brakes and said, this is how far NIO is going to go. And they continue to buy, because the volume is extremely higher than what it was the prior day. And even, I would say, we haven't seen this much volume come in NIO since the 3rd of February, right? Somebody's trying to come in and stop this market from going down. Look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay. So it seems to me, as we approach earnings in NIO, the market is trying to create a scenario that we could possibly see a market move higher, or the markets could break down and trade all the way back down to here. To the support area around $6. Now, we've been in a downturn into the market in NIO ever since what? February the 2nd, 2023. So the whole month of February, we've seen price in NIO go down. Now take a look at this. Okay, this is the weekly chart. We haven't seen any indications of buyers into the market in NIO since the week of January 23rd. So it's been about a whole month. No buyers came into the market in NIO. That's why I titled this video, "The Buyers Have Left." They're gone. This is the last area that we can see buyers come in. Earnings is going to catapult either a move back up above this support area of $9, or it's going to catapult the market to break it and go drastically lower. Here it is on the 2 weeks. The market here in NIO doesn't look good. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay, so we got this week to go through. Now, when I look at that 3-weekly price bar, from this duration, from this time period, 3 weeks, I will have to look for price to go down. Now, when I look at this, I'm looking at all of these 3-weekly price bars though, right? And I'm looking at what happened after these were printed. See, when you see these two 3-weekly price bars, right? This one and then this one, you're looking for the market to continue to go higher, but instead we went all the way down. Buyers tried to come to the market here on this 3-weekly price bar. We still printing out the next 3 weeks. Market came down anyway. So I think we need to look for price in NIO to go down. Now check this out though. That is from that duration of time, 3 weeks. So earnings is coming up on Wednesday. Don't be surprised if the market goes up, because it's been coming down for the whole month of February. And it's going to catch those who think that NIO is a buy and think that the market has hit bottom to come in. And it's going to create an environment, a scenario that people will think that the bottom is in, and it's going to create an opportunity for those who hold a big bag of NIO to sell at higher prices. But then you got to think about that long term that I'm talking about, 2 weeks, 3 weeks time frame of how weak the market is in NIO. Look at that on the 5 weeks. So yes, check this out. In the short term, price in NIO could go higher. But from my perspective, what I'm seeing in the long term is that NIO is still going to go lower, and it's going to break this support area of $9. Are you ready for that? Take a look at this monthly price bar. Take a look. Look at that. That tells me now in the next 2 days and 4 hours, if we look the way that this monthly price bar looks right now in NIO, we are going to see price go lower. Now, that's where I'm at though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this last price prediction out the way. It didn't work out. And it doesn't work out. If the buyers don't show up, then that was just the way that the market meant to go. When you see these things, you just need to take action and don't come in and hope and wish. This didn't work out. So let me go ahead and get out of this. If it worked out on the last trade of Friday, that's around 11.43% loss right there. But what we're going to do here is we're going to produce a price prediction of looking for NIO to break down of this trading channel. Okay. This is how you can also tell that nobody's really believing the market in NIO. Okay. So if we look at this trading channel, right? When the market is trading within a trading channel, you can actually determine who's actually winning while it's trading in the channel, right? So what we wanted to see in NIO is this stock making higher highs, right? It came all the way up here on December 2022, came down. We wanted the market to kind of edge back up here to $14, but instead it made a lower high here. That's how you can tell that the buyers are not really here in this channel. You want to see the market make higher highs, but instead it's making lower highs. And even here, it hasn't even made a high yet. We're still seeing the price go down. This tells you that buyers are not here in the market, even within this trading channel. This is how you want to determine which side of the market is winning. That's how you can tell. Market is making higher highs and is making lower highs. It trends higher. That's how you all can tell which side of the market is actually winning while a stock is trading in range. Simple. Okay. So now I would say as long as NIO's price trades below $11.20, this price prediction in the long term is still geared to go down. So what I'm going to do, since I see how price is trending lower, okay, we're going to play a downtrend into the market in NIO. We're going to follow the downtrend. Okay. Now, first target is going to be, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. It's going to be down here to the low that occurred here on the 24th of October 2022. Okay. So let me straighten this up. The low that came in right here on the 24th. So that's around 9.5% market move to the downside in NIO. Okay. Second target. So we got $8.40. Second target is going to be $8 even. That's our second target. Third target is going to be 7. Okay, so let me go ahead and run this back. Give you all the magnifying glass. So we said the first target is going to be like $8.41. So that is 9.89%, $8.38. Second one is going to be $8 even. That is 13.44% market move lower, $8 and a nickel, $8. And then the third one is going to be 7. That is 24.75, right there around $7. And we're going to continue to play this weakness until we see price in NIO break above $11.20, give or take. But that's where I'm at. Now, this prediction is for the long term. Okay, so as we approach on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, earnings is released, we see a pop up occurring to the market. Don't get swindled by that. Okay, because if the next day NIO stock doesn't go higher after earnings has been released and it comes down, then that tells you that the overall market is selling the news. Okay. Now, if we do see strength after earnings and the market continues to turn bullish, then yeah, we're on the wrong side of the trade on this price prediction here. But from the long-term charts, it doesn't seem that way right now. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Hit that like button instead of also subscribe. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.